this. Are you getting? The smallest number? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So smallest number will be 23,467. Yes or no? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
આ જે
Yes,
નંબર
sir.
છે એ સૌથી નાના નંબરથી ચાલુ કરો તો નાનો ડિજિટ બને. Are you getting? અને ગ્રેટર નંબરથી ચાલુ કરો તો ગ્રેટેસ્ટ ડિજિટ બને. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So we have
sir.
to find the difference between them. So let us check the answer column. Greatest five-digit number using digit 62743 is 76,432. Smallest five-digit number using 62743 is 23,467. જો બંને આપણે મળ્યા. Difference is once we subtract it will be 52,965. The difference is 52,965 is our answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, question number 6, please.
Sir, can I have some capacity read?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006?
શું કહેવા માંગે છે? A machine on an average manufactured 2,825. I'm sorry, 2,825 screws a day, right? So how many
Yes.
screws did it produce in the month of January? જાન્યુઆરીમાં કેટલા સ્ક્રૂ
Sir,
પ્રોડ્યુસ કરે છે?
sir, so we have to do multiply to 31.
વેરી ગુડ. જાન્યુઆરીમાં કેટલા દિવસ હોય?
31.
31.
Let us check the answer. Number of screw manufactured in one day is 2,825. Number of days in the month of January is 31 days. So we have to total it out. So it will be multiplied. So total screw produced is 87,575. Therefore, the machine produced 87,575 screws in the month of January. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screenshot lay your question 5 and 6 now. Answer. Have a screenshot. Taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. We are in question number. Chalo. Question number 7. Who will read?
Sir, can I answer again? Salia Mohammed, sir.
Ragi Basan. Ragi Basan.
Sir, sir, returns come.
Ragi Basan નો ટર્ન આવી ગયો. કોણ બાકી છે તો?
Yes, sir. Can I read?
What is your name?
Salia Mohammed, sir.
Muhammad Saif, you will read question number 8. Question number 7, Ragi Basan, please.
Okay, sir. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase?
Chalo, who will tell me?
Sir, we have to 1,200 multiply 40. We have to multiply.
Okay.
Sir, first we have to multiply 1200 into 40, and then we have to, when the answer is come, so we have to minus that with 78,592.
Very good. So that we will be able to get how much money will be remaining with her, right?
Yes,
To
sir.
get how much money will be remaining with her, we are after multiplying. She is ordering 40 radios. Per radio's set cost is 1200. So 1200 will be multiplied with 40. So after getting that total, it will be subtracted from the total she had, that is 78,592. So that what will be the remaining amount with her will be the answer. So coming back to answer sheet, cost of one radio, cost of one radio is 1200 rupees. Cost of 40 radios it will be 1200 into 40, which will be 48,000 rupees, right? Now total money with merchant is 78,592 minus money spent by her is 48,000, correct? So money left with her is what? 30,592. Therefore, rupees 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Is that
एक्सक्यूज
clear?
मी सर
Yes.
सर ये लिखने का है
કોણ છો ભાઈ તું? તારું નામ શું?
परियानी मोहम्मद शफीक
મોહમ્મદ શફીક. એટલા સમસ્તે લખી નાખ્યા તરત જ?
મારા મમ્મી પૂછે છે એટલે
પણ મમ્મી ભલે ને પૂછે, તને આટલી એક્સરસાઇઝ આપણે કરી, દોઢ એક્સરસાઇઝ, એમાંથી એક કે સમ લખ્યા અત્યારે કે સ્ક્રીનશોટ લીધા બેટા?
સ્ક્રીનશોટ લીધો.
બસ તો પછી એક એક તમે લોકો લખવા બેઠો ને હું 20 જણને એમ કહું કે લખાઈ ગયું તો એક સમજ કરવાનો છે એક લેક્ચરમાં. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 8 કોણે મેં કીધું તું રીડ કરશે એમ?
Mohammed Saif.
મોહમ્મદ સૈફ, પ્લીઝ ગો અહેડ.
A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By
Okay.
how much was his answer greater than the correct answer?
કોઈ એક્સપ્લેન કરી શકશે ભાઈ મને આ ક્વેશ્ચન?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
we have
sir.
to multiply the 56 and 65.
No, sir. Sir, can I know the question?
Yes,
But then
Nakvi
we have to.
Yes, he's correct, I think so. The guy who is giving the answer, Nakvi Ragib, there is somebody who is
Yes.
answering. Stop prompting in between. First, let him finish. Then if I ask that who else will answer, at that time you come up. Is that clear? Who was that person who was answering me?
Yes, sir. Mohammed Saif.
Yes, Muhammad said.
Sir, we have to 7,236 multiplied by 65 and 56.
We have to multiply with 65 also and by 56 also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then, so then I don't know.
Now who will answer me? Come on.
Sir, can I know the question?
Nakvi Ragib Hassan. Nakvi Ragib.
Sir, first we have to do the multiplication with the wrong of the student, and then we have to the correct of the student. And then, because the wrong is greater 65, so the wrong will greater. So what is the answer of 65? So we have to minus that with the multiplication of 56.
જો આમાં બે રીતે મેથડ થાય. You can do both of the method if you want. You can multiply 7,236 with 65 also. After doing that, you can multiply 7,236 with 56 also. Then you can subtract that with each other. You will get the correct answer. by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. So correct answer karta wrong answer કેટલો વધારે આવેલો છે, that we can get it after subtracting this two. Are you getting? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes,
Or you can directly do
Yes,
one
sir.
thing, 65 minus 56. What will be the answer? Sorry, 56.
9.
9. So you can do one thing, you can directly multiply the 7236 with 9. You will get the correct difference between the correct and the wrong answer. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે શું કીધું સરે?
Yes.
ચલો answer number 8. In this, it has moved with these two methods. See, both the wrong number and the correct number we have multiplied. See here. And after getting that, we are getting the difference between that two. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
ચલો.
Yes, sir.
Wrong number, that is 7236 multiplied by 65. So you will get total 4,70,340 as your answer for the first 65, correct? Which was placed as wrong multiplication. Then correct digit was what? 56. So correct answer you will get is 7,236 multiplied by 56. You will get your answer 4,05,216. Am I correct with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Difference in the
Yes,
answer
sir.
is, if you subtract this two, you will get 65,124. 65,124 is your correct answer. Is that clear? And if you do direct subtraction between 65 and 56, then to that method is correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You will get what?
Yes, sir.
65 minus 56 will be 9. So if you multiply this two, you will get 65,124 as your answer.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई.
Sir, because the Hussein Sheikh is present in his screen.
Who is
नो
that
सर, ये
boy?
आपकी स्क्रीन मुझे परफेक्ट दिखाई दे रही है.
Hussein Sheikh.
See, if you subtract these two also, then to you, your method and the steps will be correct. Huh? 65 minus 56, you got 9 as your difference. If you multiply 7,236 with 9, you will get this answer only. It's up to you which method you would like to use. Both are correct. समझाई છે boys?
Yes, sir.
Please have a screenshot of question number 7 and 8, please.
सर फिर से स्क्रीन चली गई.
कौन प्रेजेंट कर रहा है बीच में स्क्रीन? Who is that idiot? Don't understand? Nonsense. ક્લાસની બહાર કાઢી દે, આખો દિવસ પ્રેઝન્ટ ની એબ્સન્ટ થઈ જશે. હો, કોઈ લેશે નહીં, બ્લોક કરી દેશે તો. Useless fellows. Is my screen present, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
have a photograph of question 7 and 8. Please let me know once it is done. ડન બેટા. આઈ એમ વેઇટિંગ. આ ફોટો પાડવામાં આટલી વાર ન હોય કોઈ દિવસ. સ્ક્રીનશોટમાં.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Finished.
Sir, done.
सर पक्का ले लिया
तो कब का ले लिया? तो कब का शांति से क्यों बैठा है? नाश्ता करने चला गया क्या? आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल वेदर टू नोटिफाई वेदर यू टुक द स्क्रीनशॉट और नॉट. And nobody is rebuttaling me.
Sir, done. Yes.
Hussain Merchant, don't raise your hand without any reason, please. Over here, nobody is checking that chat box, beta. If you have any doubt or any question, please speak up.
Sir, he is presenting chair.
હવે પ્રેઝન્ટ થશે ને સ્ક્રીન જે કોઈ નહીં એટલે ઈ માણસ બહાર વયો જશે. પછી રિક્વેસ્ટ કરશે ને પેરેન્ટ્સ તો પણ નહીં આવે અંદર. ધેટ્સ ફોર શ્યોર. એટલે સમજી વિચારીને પ્રેઝન્ટ કરજો જે કોઈ કરો ઈ. ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9. Who is going to read this?
Sir, Pariyani Shafiq.
Safiq, go ahead. Shafiq. Hello.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Who is going to read this?
Sir, Pariyani Shafiq.
सर कहना फिर आगे बसन
Nakvir Age Basan, please read this question.
ओके सर
Safiq ने 4 વાર કીધું વાંચ્યું નહીં. 4 વખત તો હું બોલ્યો.
Start 2 meter to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain?
Now what to do in this?
Sir, we have to divide.
सर इसमें पहले है ना हमें जो जितना 1 मीटर 2 मीटर और 15 सेंटीमीटर का जो शर्ट बनता है उसे पहले हमें सीएम में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो फिर 215 हो जाएगा और फिर 40 को 4000 में तो 4000 डिवाइड बाय 215 करना है.
400, not 1000. Meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Sorry, 4000 centimeter, correct. You are right. Out of 40 meter, it is not 4 meter cloth. It is 40 meter, so it will be 4000 centimeter cloth, correct. Then, what we have to do?
Then we have to divide 4000 divided by 215 and
Okay.
which answer will come, it is stitch the shirt and सर बाद में जो आंसर आएगा
Remainder में जो आंसर
जितने
आएगा,
आंसर
that will be
होगा
the
उतने
remaining-
शर्ट से यस
will be
सर
the remaining cloth which will be left with. Okay, chalo, let us come to the answer sheet. Chalo, cloth required to stitch one shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeters. So 2 into 100, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 into 100, right? Which will be, this 15 is already in centimeters. So 200 plus 15, that will be 215 centimeter. Am I correct with the first step?
Yes, sir.
Then length of cloth 40 meter. I was totally wrong because I was counting 4 meter. So I was calculating as 400 centimeter, but it is 40 meters. So it will be 40 into 100. So it will be 4000 centimeter. Okay. 4000 centimeter. Now number of shirts can be stitched, which we have to divide 4000 divided by 215. So out of this calculation, if you take 215 centimeter of one cloth, out of 4000 centimeter, you will be able to stitch 18 shirts, Why? Because it shows that 215 ones are 215, which will be remaining of 1850. 215 eights are 1720. So 1 meter 30 centimeter of the cloth will be remaining. That is 130 centimeter. I'm getting, are you all getting this? What I'm speaking?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
remainder we cannot do anything. See, I 130 નું કાઈ કરી શક્યા? So it is 130 centimeter which is remaining. Are you getting? So 130 centimeter will
Yes,
be
sir.
calculated as 1 meter
1 meter and 30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. એ તો આવડત ને તમને લોકોને બધાયને?
હા સર.
हाँ sir.
Okay, therefore 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter, 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Any doubt with question number 9, bachche log?
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo, question number 10. Who is going to read?
Sir, Hasan Kapas.
Organization Mohammed Zaif.
Hassan
Sir, can I say
Kapasi.
question?
Hassan Kapasi. Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, question number 10. Medicine is packed in the boxes, each weighing 4 kg, 4 kilogram and 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a can which not carry beyond 800 kg?
Who will explain me this?
Sir, can I Nakvir Agi Basan?
Yes, beta.
सर इसमें बता दें कि जो मेडिसिन बॉक्स में पैक होती है वो होती है 4 किलो और 500 ग्राम की, और वैन में कितने डालने हैं जो 800 किलो से ज्यादा नहीं उठा सकता, तो उसमें भी हम ऐसे ही करना है कि 4 किलो 5000 ग्राम है तो 500 ग्राम है, तो हमें 4 किलो को 4000 किलो करना है, ग्राम करना है, और 500 ग्राम ऐसे ही रहना है, तो फिर 4500 ग्राम हो जाएंगे, और फिर 800 को हमें 8 लाख में बदलना है, और फिर 8 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 4500 करना है, और फिर जो आंसर होता है, और फिर जो आंसर होगा उतने बॉक्स जाएंगे.
Absolutely correct. What we have to do in this, medicine is packed in a boxes. બધા બોક્સીસમાં મેડિસિન્સ પેક થાય છે. Are you getting? એનો weight કેટલો હોય છે? 4 kg 500 grams. So this 4 kg will be converted to 4000 grams. Are you getting?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
500
Yes, sir.
grams, which is already given. So we will be having 4500 grams. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
talking
sir.
about
Yes, sir.
only this 4 kg 500 gram, because different unit we cannot calculate. We have to convert either this 500 gram into kg or either this kg part into grams sector. Are you getting? જે કોઈ કરવાનું
Yes, sir.
થાય, that we have to compulsory, we have to convert that unit in a single sense. Are you getting? Kg and a gram, rupees, paisa, liter, kiloliter, meter, kilometer, we cannot calculate like that. We have to convert that into single unit. So this gram is a single unit. 4 kg 500 gram no single unit થઈ ગયું, 4500 gram.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Now
Yes, sir.
this 800 kg, that means it will be converted to 1 kg is equal to what? 1000 gram.
1000.
1000.
So અહીંયા 4 kg હતું તો આપણે શું લીધું? 4000 gram લીધું.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting? In the
Yes,
same
yes,
way,
sir.
8 kg will be 8000 gram. So 800 kg will be
Sir, 8 lakh.
8 lakh grams. Very good. समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं?
હા સર, સમજ પડી.
1000
Yes, sir.
multiplied by 800, it will be 8 lakh grams. Okay. Now, હવે ગાડીમાં maximum capacity કેટલી છે? Which can not carry beyond 8 lakh grams. એટલે 8 લાખ ગ્રામ કરતા 1% percent तो ठीक, 8 lakh 1 gram also it cannot be possible. Are you getting? क्योंकि any capacity જ નથી. So how many maximum boxes can be loaded? That is what the question is. So it will be divided again. 8 lakh grams divided by 40, 500 grams. Let us check the answer. Chalo. The weight of one box is 4 kg 500 gram, which will be 4 into 1000. You got 4500 gram. પેલા જે સરને મળી હોય નકવી રાગી બસને કીધું ઈ, right? 4500 gram. Maximum
Yes,
can
sir.
be loaded as 8 lakh grams. So after dividing this, 8 lakh divided by 4500, you will get this answer. How many boxes you can see here in the answer? 177 boxes. Any doubt here?
No,
Then
sir.
this 3500 medicine will be as it is. This 3 kilogram, 500 gram, this 3 kg, 500 gram will be remaining with us.
Yes,
Only
sir.
this much boxes will be loaded. આ boxes 177 boxes માં 8 lakh grams cover થઈ જાય છે. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
177 boxes can be loaded. Therefore, 177 boxes can be loaded. This 3 kg, આ 3500 gram ને કેવી રીતે કન્વર્ટ થાય? 3 kg 500 gram is remaining. કેમ કે એનું કાંઈ ના થાય, એનું બોક્સ પણ ના બને. Why? Because per box can be loaded as 4500 gram. Are you getting? સમજાય છે? So maximum કેટલા box જઈ શકે? 177 boxes. Anybody has any doubt with this question number
No, sir.
10? ચલો પેલા આનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લ્યો, પછી આ આન્સર નો આપું છું. ચલો, first you take this screenshot as your picture. 9 અને 10 half અહીંયા છે. ઓકે, ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9 અને આન્સર નંબર 10 હાફ અહીંયા છે. હાફ હમણાં બીજો આપું છું સ્ક્રીનશોટ. Have you done? Please let me know once it is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Done.
ઓકે,
Yes, sir, done.
ચલો અહીંયાથી હાફ લઈ લ્યો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ. સાથે 11 પણ લઈ લ્યો, એટલે 11 કરાવું ને તો પછી પાછું કેપ્ચર ડન.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સોરી, થઈ ગયું કે નહીં?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ઓકે, ચલો.
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys, now your homework is to complete your fair book up till exercise 1.2 question number 10. Is that all clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Your fair book up till question number 10, and one time all this sum in your rough book. Am I clear
Yes.
to everyone, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In our next lecture, we're going to start with question number 11 and 12, and then we will shift to exercise 1.3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself. Do take care of your health very well, boys. Enjoy your next 3 lectures, and please do not go out without any reason. Okay? Take care of your family as well. Have a nice time, boys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Excuse me. Bye-bye.
Free Fire.